Hi guys, welcome back to Gagne Farms. Today we're off farm. We're actually at a friend's house and we're going to butcher some chickens. Check this out. Got the old plucker going. Got our scalder going right here. Got our butchering station over here. What do you think?
It's gonna be a rip-roaring time.
So today we're doing 20 chickens today. 18 today. And then we're gonna go back on farm tomorrow and do 28. We actually lost one just a few minutes ago. There was something, it was sick or something, so that's it. Yeah, we buried it. All right, let's get butchering. Well, what are we in here about?
Chicken number 7 or 6.
7 or 6?
Something like that.
We're doing good, I think. It's quite the setup. I like this. The old scalder going. Gotta love that plucker. I like this block you got too.
Yeah, I made that.
Basketball fans, you can turn
That is
a little
quite
bit
the-
into a
I
big
made
game
it out
of
of
FanDuel Sports.
stuff I found in the barn.
Yeah?
Kind of like my MO.
Did you do anything crazy, like oil it or anything?
Yeah,
or?
I used butcher block oil on it.
Okay. I didn't get a lot of extra video on the chicken butchering process at Roscoe's house. We were trying to get it done, and as you guys know, it's a labor-intensive process, so we were trying to get as much done as we could in a short amount of time. It went really well. We were really blessed to have some extra help and at least have some like-minded people around the community that can help out and do the same sorts of things that we're doing here. So it was a really combined effort between 2 different homesteads, so it worked out great. And big shout out to Roscoe and Tonya for letting us come over and help, and for them to come over and reciprocate and help over at our house the next day too.
Good morning, everybody. It is chicken day. So today's the day that we're going to take care of our meat chickens, get them in the freezer. I just wanted to show this fabulous sink that our friend Mike donated to Gagne Farms. This is going to make life a lot easier, a lot less backaches when processing these chickens. Today's also kind of a cycle of life day. It's kind of amazing because we'd almost given up on our baby chicks and it's day 24 and one of them is starting to hatch. So that's kind of exciting because butchering day isn't always the most exciting, fun thing to do, but it's necessary. And so it's kind of nice to have some life being born today on the farm also. So it's raining on chicken day. You want to explain our setup?
Yeah, it's pretty elaborate. We got our killing cone, we got our chickens right here, and our tractors. We got our killing cones right here, and then we bring it over here. We got a scalder. So we got our plucker right here. Then we got our table, our butchering table. We had to move. We did have it setting outside, but we just had to move it in the barn. So, and we got Roscoe back here doing a little bit of butchering today. Master butcher, carver, chicken extraordinaire.
Thank you. Quite the title.
He's the ninja gutter.
Ninja gutter. There you go. Got it. Add a little bit more water to my scalder.
Well, that's a wrap, folks.
All right, guys. So we just got done with our chicken butchering, and we ended up butchering 28 chickens today. And here, let's see what we got here. Look at that. Look at all that chicken.
Look at all those chickens.
Yep. So, went pretty good. We actually had some help there with Roscoe, and that was fantastic because we get more than just two of us, you know, helping and butchering, and it goes a lot quicker. So we ended up doing 28 chickens in 2.5 hours, I think. So it was really good.
It took less than half the time as just us doing it. So
Yeah, definitely.
thank you to Roscoe, big time.
Yeah, big thank you. And yesterday we went over to his house and butchered his chicken, so we did kind of a community effort here, and it went really good. I thought it was a very good opportunity. We both learned a little bit from each other, and that was kind of nice to do because we don't get to do that a whole lot. So our chickens averaged just about 5 pounds, and we butchered them at 7 weeks this time, and I wanted them more in the 5 pound range. If we would have waited that extra week like we have in the past, we usually have 7 or we've had 8.5 pound chickens before, and they're just too big, and it's hard to eat an 8 pound chicken, you know. So
yeah, I think we got it just right this time. So
yeah,
live and learn.
Yep. So everything went really good. All in all, we did 46 chickens in 2 days here. You know, took an hour and a half at Roscoe's and 2.5 hours here, and we're done. So we're gonna go relax because it's been a long weekend. Hey guys, if you like this kind of content, give me a big old fat thumbs up. And if you're not already, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out here at Gagne Farms. So we'll catch you on the next one.